how to see pending Robux on mobile. So first, just go to your phone. And once you're on your phone, just go to the Roblox website right here. So now I'm currently using my Safari. And once you're on the Roblox website, just simply click on Continue in Browser here at the bottom. And it will bring you right here. What you need to do next is just simply click on the double A button right here, which will reveal this menu, and simply click on Request Desktop's website. Wait for it to load again, and it works the same with Google Chrome, so I'm just going to use another browser, which is similar to Chrome. So Brave is similar as to Chrome. So you simply need to click on the three dot icon at the bottom right, then just simply find the Request Desktop site. So open up Roblox or any desktop site first. So I'm just going to go to roblox.com and click on the three dots. Here you will see Request Desktop site, just like so. And going back, so I'm just going to go back here to my Roblox. Once you're here, just simply click on the gear icon on the top right for the settings. Then simply click on the Roblox icon besides it. As you can see, this is the settings and this is the Roblox icon. Then click on the My Transactions right here at the middle. Wait for it to load. And as you can see, you have the summary, which shows the incoming Robux, the total amount, and also the outgoing Robux. You could also set this to the past 30 days, and also you could set it to purchases, just like so. And here you will see the pending Robux on the incoming Robux page or panel. So if you have incoming Robux or pending Robux, it will be seen just right there. And that's how you basically see your pending Robux in mobile.